Hey everyone. So in this video, we're going to be talking about local functions. And luckily, we have an example that we can convert in one of our existing applications. I am in Word Unscrambler. So if you go to the wordmatcher.cs, so the word matcher class, you will see that we have a method here that says build matched word. With local functions, what we can do is we can nest methods within each other. So I can take this method and I can go here and I can just paste it and then get rid of the access specifier. We don't need that. It's going to basically inherit the access specifier of the parent method. And this is going to be just fine. See? Everything is working. No red underlines. If you were to go, let's go to Visual Studio 2015 and open up Word Unscrambler, you'd see that it would error out. So if you went to the Solution Explorer and then you went to Workers and then Word Matcher, you'd see that this just won't work because it's not a feature of C#6. It's a feature of C#7. So close 2015. In 2017, it's working just fine. The other thing is that the nested local function has access to the variables of the parent function. So let's test it out. I will just say var parent var equals 10. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that in the child method. So the local function here is going to say console, right line, and then I'm going to say parent var. See? You can do that. So if you were to do var parent var equals 20, that wouldn't work because this parent var is already declared at this scope, the parent scope. So the child cannot overwrite it, right? You can by not declaring it, but you can't declare the same variable, the same name, right? So that's one thing to know. But you might be asking, so, okay, when do you use this? When do we use local functions? Well, the answer is, there are going to be times when there's going to be a helper function that only is helping some other function, and that's it. So what you want to do is you want to just take that method and put it inside of the parent method. Because of you want to basically take that helper method and put it inside of the parent method that it's helping, because that way it's a lot more intuitive, it's a lot more understandable, and it's closely coupled in a sense that you know that this method belongs 100% to this other method, and it's not there for anything else. It's only there for this one specific reason. So that clarifies the intention of your code. In this case, build matched word. This is a perfect example. It won't be used anywhere else but in this parent class. And that's why I am basically putting it inside of the parent class. It's a helper method for this match method. That is the parent method. So that's the local functions. I hope that makes sense. And once again, if you have any questions, please leave them in the Q&A section.